My name is Tonia Wiles. I'm a third-year student of the Louis Arthur Crime School of Law. I participated in the Access to Justice program this year, 2013, and I enjoyed it very much. I can only describe it as being awesome. During our participation in the course, we had many opportunities to improve ourselves. One, we were able to engage with other students from the Washington and Lee University. During that time, they shared their experiences with us, and we shared ours with them. And we got to realize that we had some similarities, but there were some differences, and which helped us to think more critically about the legal system in Liberia and some of the gaps. And also, we were exposed as assistants to public defenders. I was assigned to a public defender called Sunday Fool Sheriff, and he was very kind and understanding and patient because there were lots of things that I didn't know, especially I was shy about the court system. He sometimes asked me to accompany him to the court and help to find case files when he was filing for dismissal of cases or something like that. We went to the prison and found some indigent people in the prison who needed assistance, and we find files for them. There was one occasion where he couldn't get the files because we had to go through a whole lot of rigorous processes to get case files out of the system. But that exposed me a lot because then I knew that when I became a lawyer, these are some of the things that I had to do. Also, we had the opportunity to engage with the community through workshops. The students from Washington and Lee University came to Liberia, and we co-facilitated trainings for access to justice for community members. And we realized that the community members also knew a lot about the legal system, but they didn't know how to access public defenders, somebody to actually speak on their behalf. So we were able to give them that information while they also gave us information. And one lesson I learned about being a public defender is that in order for you to be a public defender, to actually do your work more effectively, efficiently, you must have the passion for the promotion of human rights, because you make a lot of sacrifices. Sometimes you spend your own money, you spend a lot of time trying to get your case files, trying to get witnesses together, trying to gather evidence, and you must want to do it. You must have a feeling for it and know that you are doing it for the good of other people in order for them to get justice done, for them to live better lives in the community. So we want to thank Washington and Lee University and Speedy and those who are supporting this program for the opportunity afforded us that to gain more experience as we went through through the law school. In fact, during our final year course with the moot court, because of our exposure, we were not too shy making our presentation before the judge. And even now, when we go to court, we are able to present, make representation, on behalf, as we walk alongside other more experienced lawyers. So we want to thank the providers and the funders of this course, Access to Justice program, for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you. Do you have any final suggestions for UNODC how to keep supporting this program?
I think what they're doing a very great job. One thing we noticed is that although the program, we have opportunities for other students from the Washington University to come to Liberia, and also for us to conduct the program at the American Embassy. Probably if there's a possibility for one or two students also to go on the exchange so that they can be balanced, to go also to Washington University, because I don't know. So far, I don't think many students have had that opportunity. So if they can provide that kind of space, for students, that would be good.